basically I just started and then ignored the troll head in the back. And by the way, this is very low quality, and the first hair is gonna be that hair, and we put it on, yep, and then we do it only bangs, and then look at me rotate. Next we're gonna put on this orange G hair and make a default and watch me rotate again. Next we're gonna just slide down and then take this Sophia hair. We're gonna make it to no bangs, position it, no rotate, no yes skill. Next we are gonna put on this hair from the Valentine's update, position it, rotate it, scale it. And I think we have to put on one hair because I'm just like doing this after what I'm doing, so I don't think really, yeah. And this straight hair, do it default, and then just do the same position as me. I think this is all of the hair. So right now we're heading to the dressing room, and then ignore the rest of that I have, okay? So if you don't have these, I'm so sorry, you can't make it, but you can use other stuff to like replace it. So I think it's pretty cool. And also this is very simple, so I don't really know what I'm doing right now. So that's all for dressing room. Like ignore me scrolling to the dressing room, I just feel so nervy. Okay, anyways guys, the panda thingy actually is like making some wrong position here, so let's just ignore that. Well, so watch me color and make it like her Roblox avatar. Big thanks to Molly here, I don't know why, but yeah. So now we're going to VIP, and the VIP I think there's only like one or two stuff. Okay, it's one stuff, which is that belly chain. You can actually like replace it with that gold chain thingy with in the free section. So I don't really think that much problem if you don't have VIP. So yep. So that's basically it. So yeah. So right now we are going to the free section, and I think there's only like one or two, like 3 or 4 stuff only. So ignore the troll head again. But anyways, so I think everything is turned out pretty nice, and then you can learn it like pretty fast. It is like, I don't know what to say, but I can just say I just hate doing these videos because it just takes like hours to edit, and then I have to put my voice in, and then like I don't know what to say. But anyways, I think we're almost done with the free section because I got some issues finding the pattern for the pants because I favorited it and I unfavorited it, and then I just walked past it and then finally saw it. So that is what is making me stressed. sorry, I'm coughing, but anyways, and also that panda on that side, you actually need to grant access for the Kaza light stick. If you don't have that, then I'm so sorry. And also sorry,